Pseudocode. Pseudocode is used to describe the steps of an algorithm in a human understandable language. It has no syntax and can be easily understood by a layman. So, pseudocode is an informal way of writing programs in which there is no need to think about semicolons
and curly brackets.
Characteristics of pseudocode. It uses structured English statements. It can be reviewed or verified easily to see if it generates the desired outcome. You can focus on all possible scenarios. So, this helps you to understand the potential problems that might come up later. Writing pseudocode will help to write your code much easier. Advantages of pseudocode. It is language independent and can be used by most programmers to express the design in plain and natural language. Programmers do not have to think about syntax. They simply have to concentrate on logic. The focus is on the steps to solve a problem rather than how to use the computer language. Example 1. Write pseudocode to calculate profit and loss. Solution. Example 2. Write pseudocode to print above average marks if the average marks in the 3 subjects are greater than 60 and below average marks if the average marks are less than or equal to 60. Solution.